Good morning, everyone. My name is 𝐷𝐿 Choo. I'm a director with Finexus Card. Thank you for spending time to join this session. This morning, I'm going to share with you about broadening your apps with financial services with Finexus MyXaaS digital services. Now, most of participants in this MyFintech would have been a player in financial services. So what am I talking about? I'm specifically talking about now, if you are at this point of your journey, what are you considering the following? First, you're looking for the best way to accept payments for your product and services via online or on-premise efficiently. Or you are looking to find the best way to improve your customer stickiness for your product and services. You may want to consider issuing an e-wallet for your customer to promote this. Next, are you considering looking at knowing and dealing with your genuine users of your product and services? This is very important for financial services and is something that you can consider when you look at MyXaaS. And last, are you looking at when you have more customers applying for your services, you will need to find the best way to scale without increasing the number of staff, okay? So these are the three areas that I would like to speak about. Now, what are MyXaaS digital services? First, we have the first services, which is Applicant Identification and Verification Service. It is essentially a means for you to authenticate and verify any persons applying for your services via non-face-to-face channel. So essentially, this is part fall under Bank Negara's eKYC guideline for onboarding a customer for online channels. The next aspect, we're going to introduce you to automated customer due diligence, okay? And these services help you to automate evaluation of your applicants based on the rules and scoring model that you prescribe. So you can maintain these rules by yourself. The next service is about e-wallet and prepaid card issuance. Here, we allow you to open mobile e-wallet, either virtual or linked to a physical Visa MasterCards. Last but not least is online and on-premise payments acceptance for Do It Now QR for Visa, MasterCard, Alipay Plus, UPI, and LongPay. Now, with MyXaaS, why would you want to partner with Finexus Card? Okay. Now, a bit background on the Finexus group. Finexus started out in year 2000, and we have developed customized software for the banking industry. We have developed. We are at the moment still supporting those systems. We provide support to all the FIs for this system called External Sectors Statistics Submission System to Bank Negara. At the same time, we also help many financial institutions to integrate with Bank Negara for systems such as Rentas, Do It Now, Secrets, and what called the Integrated Statistics Submission System. Apart from being a regulatory service solution provider, we also provide digital financial services under Finexus 𝐶𝐮𝐤𝐵. Finexus 𝐶𝐮𝐤𝐵 is a licensed e-money issuer as well as also acquire a merchant acquirer. The third aspect of Finexus Group is provision of data processing outsourcing. For this part, we service over 30 banks in ASEAN region. We help them to be able to process for card issuance as well as merchant acquiring. We allow them to handle for card brands such as Visa, MasterCard, Do It Now, Alipay Plus, UPI, JCB, MCCS, MPO, Labs, and NAPAS. Last but not least, we also provide business outsourcing process. This is handled by Finexus Card. We are providing these services for some of the local big e-money issuer as well. So that is our background, Finexus Group. These are the services that we are providing for more than 15 years. Now, again, to recap, we are e-money issuer license. We also approved by PayNet for Do It Now, approved for card scheme for Visa, MasterCard, as well as Alipay Plus for Chinese payment. So to recap, why work with Finexus? First of all, is speed to market. We are one of the few e-money issuer, okay, that allows our partner to issue e-wallets, okay. In fact, maybe the only one. We are also a merchant acquirer to help you to be able to accept payment. We also have an established digital payment service provider for more than 15 years. In position ourselves to provide MyXaaS, we have actually set up a sandbox test base, okay, as well as allow access to our services via open API. So with this setup, we hope to be able to quickly enable our partners to test out the integration between their system with our services, and also to quickly be able to integrate and roll out to the market. Next aspect is to provide secure, reliable delivery of digital services. Our services operate from 2 Tier 3 data centers in Malaysia. We comply with PCI DSS security audit every quarter, as well as Bank Negara RMT security certification. As mentioned earlier in the video, our SLA is 99.5%. Our services also comply with Bank Negara and card schemes requirement. We conduct stringent CDD during onboarding of our partners. We also conduct thorough testing with partners to ensure the system is secure, operates correctly, and ready for production. Prior to production, we need to obtain Bank Negara's clearance so that we can proceed into operation mode. Last but not least, I think we provide competitive pricing. Okay. Now we provide competitive pricing for various levels. You are a startup, big digital service provider. We have 3 ranges, and the prices tier with the transaction volume. So if you are interested to find out more, come and visit us at our virtual booth in Hall 1 and chat with us. Or you may even check out our website for MyXaaS, where you can get more information. Thank you very much for the time. And should you have any question, go to our booth and get chat with our representative. Thank you.